Welcome to B Money Collections. We're going to open up this Prizm Blaster box. Got the NBA tip-off of the season last night. Went into triple OT, some good games to kick off the season. Now let's get some bangers here. What do y'all say? Please subscribe, like the video, leave some comments. Let me know what you like, don't like. Check me out on Whatnot and Instagram. Let's get to it. Edie on the emergent. Mitchell Robinson. All right. Like these Prizm cards. They always look and feel good. Got Miles Turner here. Godare. Porzingis. All right. Yeah, keep an eye out. Look out for some other videos. I got a bunch of cool videos coming up. Oh, yeah, that's Missy. Impact rookie card, Missy. What's up? Running. Oh, we got the Wemby. We got a Wemby. Wemby Prizm. Boom. Green Melvin. Jalen. Yeah, check me out on Whatnot. I go live on Whatnot. Open up some packs and wax with y'all. Try to hit some bangers. Had a good NBA show last night. Xander Sarr. Yeah, so come out, give me a follow. Check me out on all the socials. Appreciate everything. And yeah, please subscribe. Give me a like. Oh, Joker too. We got a Joker. Green Nikola Emergent. Franz Wagner. Thanks, y'all. Have a good day. Subscribe and like.